This is going to be a video tutorial on how to shadow text in Canva. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into the free version of Canva. To shadow text in Canva, the first thing you want to do is select the text that you want to shadow. Say that I want to shadow this line of text right here. I'm going to left click on it to select it. Then I'm going to go up to the top to the Effects button. I'm going to click on Effects. Now a pane opens up on the left hand side, and under the Styles area you'll see right down here Shadow. I'm going to click on Shadow. Now as you can see, it has shadowed that text. Now below that you can change the offset of the shadow, make it more, make it less. Down below that, the direction of the shadow, you can move the direction of the shadow around. Down below that is a blur slider, and down below that is a transparency slider. You can make the shadow less transparent, more transparent. And down below that is color. How do you want to color your shadow? I'm going to click on the color, say that I wanted a dark shadow. I'm going to click on black. That is the way you shadow text in Canva. Thanks for watching.